mliozungumza ni muhimu sana.
What the king says is law. After meeting with the private sector earlier this year, President Magufuli okayed a new tax amnesty law, where heavily burdened businesses could apply to get deductions on their tax load.
So the idea is trying to help businesses not actually being faced by the burden of tax payment, but actually do away with the interest and penalties so that they can actually focus on paying the tax bill itself.
Known as the Tax Administration Order of 2018, the tax 6 months amnesty became effective in July. Experts say that bold tax reforms like these are a sign that the government is willing to take the necessary steps to improve the business environment and maximize cross-sectorial investment. The Tanzania Private Sector Foundation represents a business interest of about 4 million businesses in the country, and it has welcomed the move.
It is a very responsive system and investment climate in the country, which actually would listen and help businesses whenever they're struggling and help them make much more money.
Experts have cautioned that the amnesty does not include every taxpayer and that the 6-month period given may hurt some businesses' bottom lines.
It becomes difficult because it drains capital from the circulation. So it shrinks the business operations, which we think this is something which may be adverse to the government also, because the taxpayer will be having smaller operations.
According to the government, the amnesty is set to boost compliance by 10% and will provide some relief to businesses burdened by tax debts.
We think this is something good. It's going to strengthen the business health.
As some businesses start to take advantage of this reform, it is hoped that by improving the business environment, it would, in turn, help increase the country's tax base. Daniel Kijo, CGTN, Dar es Salaam, Tanzania.